Okay, so in this tutorial I will show you how to sniff login information from the captive portal. So first off, make sure the access point is up and running. Then in the terminal type tshark and set the interface to $0 and use -w to store the data in a file. So I'm going to put capture.cap for the file and press enter. And now I'm capturing packets on $0 interface in a file called capture.cap. Okay, now let's go to the Windows machine and connect to free Wi-Fi. And you can see when I connect to the access point, I automatically get directed to the login page. Now let's say I want to access a different web page. So I will open a new tab and type google.com. And you can see I've been redirected to the login page where I need to put the username and the password. So I will type John for the username and put let me pass in for the password. And click login. Okay, so let's go back to the Kali machine and stop the capturing process and open the capture file, which is saved in the home directory. So if I use ls, you can see the capture.cap file. Now to open the file, type Wireshark and the name of the file. And here are the packets from the WLAN0 interface, which I have captured using tshark. Now the next step is to change the filter to HTTP and look for post request. And here is the HTTP post request. And if I go and click on HTML form, you can see the username and the password. So, thanks for watching and I will see you next time.